I just wanted to explain to you how we are living under this incredible illusion where governments and banks are absolutely taking advantage of us. You only need to go to Wikipedia and look up fractional reserve banking. It will blow your mind. Look, you and I go along to a bank and we deposit £100 or dollars. This is quite incredible. The bank then lend out 80 of those pounds and keep 20 in reserve. This is on the basis that they have to keep reserves of 20%. Okay? Now that bank now takes that £100 of yours or dollars, it keeps 20 because it has to, and that goes into its reserves, and it lends out 80. Okay, someone takes a loan. Now that person then gets the money and goes and spends it, and the person who gets the money through their till or whatever goes to the bank and deposits it in the bank and deposit £80. Well, lo and behold, the bank, it could be the same bank, another bank, has to keep 20%, that's £16, but it can lend out 64. And then that 64 gets lent out, somebody goes and spends it, whoever takes that cash goes to the bank and deposits it, so £64 deposited, the bank has to keep £12.80, which is 20%, and it can lend out £51.20. And so it goes on. Can you see what's happening here? That 80% of the money in circulation just doesn't exist. We start with £100, dollars, whatever, and on the rule of 20%, the maximum amount of total deposits that can be created with £100, dollars, yen, or whatever, the maximum amount of total deposits that can be created miraculously from 100 of any currency is 500. They are taking us to the cleaners. This is why paper money has no value over and above the paper it is printed on, and why we should all be acquiring legal or lawful money, which is solid silver, solid gold, precious metals. You need to go and read this. It'll just blow your mind.